Welcome to the Smart Energy series by Georgia Power. Have you ever wondered, why is my energy bill higher than my neighbors? Many homeowners compare their energy costs to friends and family, especially when the bills increase. But did you know even homes with the same size and layout can have very different energy bills? The main reasons are weather conditions, home features, and personal usage habits. Understanding these elements can help you optimize energy efficiency and lower your energy costs. Let's explore how. Imagine two homes in the same neighborhood, both experiencing the same weather. Home A has newer, energy-efficient windows and better insulation. Home B has older single-pane windows and minimal insulation. Even with identical weather, Home A will have lower energy usage because it retains heat in the winter and stays cooler in the summer. So, here are a few tips to make your home more energy efficient. Schedule an energy assessment to identify ways to improve your home's energy efficiency. Visit georgiapower.com/HEIP to schedule an assessment with a participating program contractor. Install thermal curtains or traditional shades to improve insulation and maintain indoor temperatures. Thermal curtains are thick, insulating drapes that help maintain a comfortable temperature in your home. They can be used in the winter to reduce heat loss and in the summer to keep air-conditioned rooms cool. You can also upgrade your attic insulation and seal HVAC ducts to prevent energy loss. Next, your home size and layout can significantly affect energy usage. Larger homes require more energy to heat and cool. Homes with high ceilings or open floor plans may lose hot or cold air faster. So what are some ways you can heat or cool your home most efficiently? Regardless of the size of your home, you should set your thermostat to 78 degrees in the summer and 68 degrees in the winter. Use Energy Star ceiling fans to circulate air with fans rotating counterclockwise in the summer to keep cool and clockwise in the winter to stay warm. Turn lights off in unused rooms. Use energy efficient appliances. Unplug electronics when you're not using them. And if you have an extra fridge in the garage, maybe consider moving it indoors to reduce energy consumption or just recycle it. Homes with HVAC systems that are poorly maintained or 10 years or older tend to consume more energy. A well-maintained system can make a big difference in efficiency and help you save money. To ensure your HVAC system is operating efficiently, replace your air filter every 1 to 3 months to maintain airflow and reduce strain on the system. Even if they don't look dirty, you should replace them. Remove dust from your vents by vacuuming and keeping them clear of obstructions such as furniture, curtains, and rugs to ensure proper airflow. Understanding how weather, home design, and daily habits impact your energy bill is the first step towards saving money. If you want to save even more, visit georgiapower.com/energy efficiency to see if you qualify for discounts and rebates. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. All right? I'll catch you next time.